Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel DK. We have one more great update from Sakesh Solutions LLC company. So they mentioned officially in LinkedIn, like this company only updated in LinkedIn. So they mentioned that they are looking for real hands-on experience in a real world projects and grow your skills in Python development, AI engineer and front-end technologies. So they are connecting direct walk-in drive and dates of walk-in is 16th and 17th of May 2025. Time for walk-in 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. guys. When you also they mention here you can see Image Garden Road, Madhapur, Hyderabad. Open positions: junior Python developer, associate AI engineer, junior front-end developer. Eligibility criteria: recent graduates in computer science, information technology, or related disciplines, solid interest in programming, software development, and problem solving, good communication skills, and the ability to work effectively in a team environment. So, you need to walk in with your updated resume, valid government ID proof, a positive attitude, and eagerness to learn. So you can also apply here. They also provided contact number and the email here. So every detailed information they have provided here, guys. Here you can see location and everything they mentioned here. So if you are interested, don't miss it. And also I have connected with one of the person, one of the employee who are working at the Sake Solutions company. He said that here you can see this is the conversation between him, guys. First, they will conduct MCQ test, which includes technical questions from Python and some aptitude questions. Then, after based on that, they will test and they will take interviews based on your test, guys. Mostly in interviews, they will ask basic questions, basic coding questions. And he said that at the time of his interview, they took 3 interviews. So this is the main thing, and you can choose in between Python front end. They will ask basic coding questions to test your syntax, guys. So mainly they will focus on JavaScript coding question. So please be prepared before attending for this opportunity. And this is one of the great update from this company, guys. Don't miss it. One more thing, guys, please like and share to your friends. This is one of the great update, and they will also benefit from this company. Don't miss it.